Prime Minister of our country, he has appealed that voters should come out and vote. And each and every vote which will be casted, it will be good for the nation. In Assam, for the continuity, for sure, and in Bengal, for the change, for sure.
Former Prime Minister said Assam is being divided on the basis of religion, culture and language, and urged voters to vote for a government that upholds the Constitution of India and the principle of democracy. What do you want to say about this?
Ex-Prime Minister Mr. Manmohan Singh is a very intelligent person, but I have to tell him one thing about our country. The beauty of our country is it is a melting pot of caste, religion and culture. This is the beauty of our country. And whatever we do inculcating all these things. So people living in Assam or in West Bengal or any other polling state, they are going to be together on the lines of caste, religion and culture, and as they had voted earlier for Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji on these lines and above these lines, they are going to do the same.
6 for jobs.
I'm pretty sure after the inquiry, facts will be revealed and the right action will be taken. I'm sure that nothing such should repeat in the future with anyone and by any of the political leaders.
BJP will enact laws to change the love and land jihad of in Assam if voted to power, Amit Shah said.
Love and land jihad are the crude, raw realities of our country, and we had been observing in all states. So now the time has come that it has to be stopped. And who can stop it? Only a political party who doesn't indulges in appeasement politics. So Mr. Amit Shah has very rightly said that love jihad and land jihad, they have to be stopped, and only Bharatiya Janata Party can stop that.
A large number of rallies in West Bengal at religious places in UP and other states. I am wondering if Maharashtra is out of this country, that COVID cases are rising here alone. Maharashtra Minister Ashram Sheikh said.
Failure of the Maha Vikas Aghadi Sarkar, which has become Maha Vasuli, Maha Bhrasht, Maha Criminal, Maha Corrupt Aghadi Sarkar. So the Sarkar or the government which is going ahead with all these things. So the leaders of such parties, they are going to claim, is Maharashtra in India or not? Jago Mohan Pai, right?
Gujarat A group leader held for COVID-19 norms violation.
See, COVID should not be taken for granted by anybody, and these farm leaders, they had not taken any sort of permission and they were not following the guidelines of the COVID as well. So they were arrested. If they are protesting, and especially if they are taking the tagline of being the farm leader, it doesn't mean that you are going to take law in your hands. That is incorrect.
आज फेस का जो है मतदान होना है, असम में भी होना है, किस तरीके से देखें, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
पश्चिम बंगाल में जो वोटर्स हैं वो बदलाव के लिए वोट करेंगे. असम में जो वोटर्स हैं वो जो सरकार भारतीय जनता पार्टी की लगातार विकास का कार्य करती चली आ रही है, उसी कंटिन्यूटी को बढ़ाने के लिए वोट करेंगे. और जैसे हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अपील की है कि आप घर से निकलिए और वोट का बटन दबाइए, पश्चिम बंगाल के वोटर्स बदलाव के लिए और असम के वोटर्स कंटिन्यूटी के लिए.
फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर,
पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री सरदार मनमोहन सिंह जी बहुत बुद्धिमान राजनेता भी रहे हैं और व्यक्ति भी हैं. और वो जब इस प्रकार की भाषा का प्रयोग करते हैं कि धर्म और संस्कृति और इस लाइन पर जो है आप वोट ना करें, भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस लाइन पर वोट कराना चाहती है, तो मैं उनको ये बताना चाहूंगी कि भारत की खूबसूरती ये है कि यहाँ लोग जो हैं अपने अपने धर्म को मानते भी हैं, अपनी अपनी संस्कृति को मानते भी हैं, फिर भी इकट्ठे आते हैं. भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सदैव वोटर्स ने धर्म और संस्कृति और क्षेत्र के ऊपर उठकर वोट दिया है, अब भी देंगे. वो अपना धर्म भी मानेंगे, अपनी संस्कृति भी मानेंगे, अपने क्षेत्र को भी पहचानेंगे, पर वोट देंगे भारतीय जनता पार्टी को.